rupa pipa no ime Shying ime iet pidu kibet.
Kun kadai ba yok pang tibi te.
Ya ka tibi te laban sumar hang niru te bale haban pai i satu.
Lada ka kami ka don hang ni. Kibriu kilaban keren.
Ngam salia ya kibriu. Mai.
Wah, balik kum ni. Arjun. Un laki thia un sakmen ba.
Arjun. Kun jonga.
Ula ka jap ba ya phi. Ngaru. Ngakram sok tho ba te. Kumyo ni u remote TV. Da ka chin krishan ki bahiyang bahasam. La bani le persha ya ka jimpang TV. Balingin nyobeng.
On the afternoon of 19th March 2024, a vehicle bearing registration number ML06A3821 and laden with sacks of sugar toppled over at Rngi Shyllong near 5th Mile, Upper Shillong. Eyewitnesses reported that the truck overturned due to speeding at the curve before reaching Sangmeiñ ground. Additionally, it collided with a scooty travelling from Upper Shillong towards the city, resulting in injuries to both the scooty rider and the lorry driver. Subsequently, with the assistance of witnesses and the 108 ambulance service, the injured parties were transported to the hospital for medical attention.
Masih ready.